hallowed be thy name. Please welcome on stage another shot at metal glory. Following on from the stunning success of our Swedish metal truck, we now proudly present the sequel, The Sound of Swedish Metal. Underneath its riff rock referencing exterior, this Volvo FH16 with 750 horsepower is a regular rigid truck with hook and crane for heavy gigs. The design on this sheer metal beauty is inspired by the sounds made by the truck itself. The song you're currently listening to was put together by Fredrik Folkestad, a Swedish music producer and sound designer who sampled the sound of the truck's engine to create the foundation for the song. The sound file was then put through After Effects, creating a 2D image mirroring the sound waves on the track. And that image is recreated right here on the side of the truck. The story of rock music is all about legends. And the legend standing here in the spotlight is the truck itself. Powered by a passion for sound and design, fueled by the desire to rock. And keep your ears to the ground, because the sound of Swedish metal will be heard on a road near you very soon.